Utie Oha Extra Ponkno. Needs FM.
$1 million dollars to every constituency. Na yenhwe ni yene special initiative ministry womo na saso eye womo eye ho adwuma papa ye no omkasa mafu Moro Kabori yeni nkomo ne yebisa no Moro yemo ache
Over mejo so na ohoti say
nyame adom bako na so
o nyakobo adom ene mompaibo bibia ekoso kama menia
ye da nyankopon ase na Moro $1 million to every constituency say sika no ebi ko ana afi ne yeba be chance ye de sika nako
yo me da say de kan no me fa sa konya we so na machia we for ene anopay said o si ebisa ye no the 1 million per constituency no the allocations no for 2018 no aba ama me no ka say their projects also throughout every constituency ewo Ghana say
Morano apeda ne so amai kakra
you the mechanic say me no ka say o share in 2018 and the allocation no e shall see e distribute to so for 2018 there me no ka say there ya award Canaba ama me no ka say constituency bia e Ghana say benefited from the 1 million per constituency allocation for 2018 2019 the na me no ka say there the development authorities no e di kan ya all the procurement processes in na me no ka say manyane nti say inchi biara for 2019 allocation no they will start awarding the project and so bisa ya there for 2018 me no ka say you distribute to ama constituency biara no benefited from projects from the allocation no many
na finance minister aka say okọ Ghana mrache be defi o de kwoto udwa no said dia oka ne kasa me na kwakwa say enteki full implementation it is your kasa constituency be a benefit here are they benefiting up to $1 million project ana
yeah they make can say mesa can see so bium say so share promise now you can say almost every year biara no their constituency biara benya the equivalent of $1 million na o meeting their finance or basic infrastructure project ya tuni the infrastructure for poverty eradication program so kan in 2017 their honorable minister ebe secretary mu for 2017 yentimi annual release no because now the structures in place ni na no nya dia normal ready no yentimi annual allocation for 2017 then 2018 the Ministry of Finance my allocation no the ministry no the resources no for the implementation of that program in this 2018 and no na you just say almost every constituency in Ghana say no benefited from the water systems the institutional toilet facilities or the local the aside from this government priority programs you know there work program be as well a friend the constituency specific project I mean say as I speak to you now there the constituency biara no benefited from project on one kasa doing say there be boa ntima mufo no ntima no kasa see no apart from the water systems toilet facilities warehouses are air cost okoye bia is for instance project or identify say nke be boa mo the construction of 6 compounds I mean no kasa oko ahima kroma ya dia ekoso oko the same area is in so a 3-unit classroom block Kase Tahid, that is the name of the beneficiary community, and there's a construction of a 3-unit classroom block pavilion and a 10-seater KVIP and a number 1 2-unit urinal ekoso mosi hine community oko baby any anyaso bekwa in so a we share the project apart from the community, the water systems, the toilet facilities are, and no air cost throughout every constituencies. No, in addition, no, so no, so much anesthesia items for baby any hospital. Almost supply friends and the supply of furniture for that baby any hospital now. It will share almost every constituency there in Ghana. Aside from the water system, any toilet facility will benefit. I know general. Almost benefited from certain projects and one casano submitted at the man the ministry ni say omo person ministry no ebe yo ema omo from their own allocation. The mechanism for 2018 allocation and Ministry of Finance the Ministry of Special Development Initiatives no there consequence biara no benefited from the project from that allocation no, for 2018.
Na to say water systems any janan bia working. Sa ben bia ba pattern mu de eyade an wo mu yo. Eti the ye bisa ne say so $1 million constituency ni mu a. Na na tie nim say bia ebeye bi different from the adada mpuntu nyuma ebia aban no ye wo because say ensuo ye de be che say bia $1 million na ye de ye say ejanan bia ye si no pen ye betimi account o e de na ye betimi ameye hu say enkwankwa the routine developmental projects aya abanye ewo ye mpatemu na na ka ebe say we ni de adanso
minia say o hwe a promise na the 1 million per constituency na Omanpenyin na Akufo-Addo ehye ebon o ka say de ba be finance a program bia ya tun di infrastructure for poverty eradication program. That program no a program bia sebe minia edutem bia ye no ma ye wokro kase mu no ya dream say sebe project ya kase like interchange like big hospitals na project sebe ehia amanfo no mu na so sebe ko kro kitwa mu na there are certain basic projects you all know ma sebe you know my oku kase na ya how significant it is na so ko the basic communities are sebe sa normal way ya there we here wo pan yi na wo mention say say sebe ejina bia ana say water system enhyeda enya bebre
debi mankase hu hia
say say special
mankase hu hia bede ya de da ye hu say ye two bonkos and ye see ejanan bia
this is the issue why woman say so share IP program now ya chemu mienu your nifa ba kon ye from government priority projects and nifa so atosu mienu no so ye friend no constituency specific projects. The government priority project ni project bia abayan kasa ehu say dia ehu based on our own developmental needs. So far, sustainable development goals we identify certain areas as our areas very key. I also buying it one among and no SDG 6. The friends water and sanitation issues. About the issue about the provision of toilet facilities and water system. Buying number one priority. So that's it. In this also the program my friend infrastructure for poverty eradication program now. A buy on the chefa bi on ma no de hu hia a buy also provide edema for at the various constituencies and within the beneficiary communities. And nothing like that 1 million per constituency in the best finance these two programs are under the infrastructure for poverty eradication program now far the government priority personal project now follow under the government priority personal. Them can catch on a water for all program, a sanitation for all, one district, one warehouse, one village, one dam. We call some other constituencies in program where they are buying constructing markets and clinics, and only a government priority part under the infrastructure for poverty eradication program. The second part also the team for non-casano identify say Sabu Muhia. Intimate meeting crying, and my bed set for say Omunia drainage and as Omunia COVID. They know one. And the SESICANO is for the communities and also for the constituencies to determine exactly what they want to do. And so what makes that money available? Now constituency na dream mo say you be bridge a bit now connected through communities mean this aban will go and say there be and say that any significant and say special enough inti and ya dia meye e dia mamo so the point I make and say SESICANO for the constituencies apart from the government priority aspect or one person be making determination the kind of project or more per se aban edia mom. I have the list of communities for now they submitted it and no say a project no it is going on throughout every constituency via a war Ghana say as I speak to you now. And again, they also mean so no they also say the IPEP program now you did the 1 million per constituency every year no. We because it is a pro-poor program, pro-poor policy. So I say, you within the various constituencies, you will be a they need basic items, they need basic infrastructure. So that money no is targeting this poor people within the various communities that you only access to basic infrastructure. So that's it. So that is exactly what the government is doing. So the fact of the matter, so I say, there are buying 2018 allocation. There, almost every constituency they Ghana say they are benefited from the project. 2019, there the Ministry of Finance and making allocation available to the Ministry. The development authorities, very soon, they've gone through the various procurement processes. They will start awarding a project for 2019. So, the Minister of Finance, it is a statement of fact, say the money is available throughout the country.
Okay.
And the status so so and say we say Sabi Bianca Seneco boy is slim the in 2017 the ministry for more a 10-member committee every region every constituency and in penny for Sabi and I said the major stakeholders are more the various constituencies could identify project one here. The report available. And it is based on this reports and for subsequent updating making sure say the project what the project and there said you need to MPO. It is based on one request based on their own needs and are buying 81 or more to ensure say we provide them with the facilities on here. And that is exactly what is going on the ground there.
It's a bit to quantify. Says a project be a coso a 2018 they are working. 2018 $1 million no. You know koi. Now you better quantify say projects are a coso no. Is it up to $1 million? Our constituency BM said they are working.
Yeah, said the medical every project no the cost. So that's it. In the CBA offer toilet facilities, offer the water systems, offer in other constituencies, in addition to markets, also in your clinic, also in the chip cover, you can quantify a year damage. So maybe a very short say this exercise here, exercise be a no can undertake that particular a year exercise. But once again, the emphasis is say assuming say you award a project within a year. The project are buying emphasis financial contractors that just size can equity say there be. Yeah, there you will processes so we year money via you recertificate. The certificate will go through a process before a buying a bit. This is to ensure say there's value for money. This is to ensure say you are buying sika abra juma was a contractor for no again. So there's a clear structure there. Yeah, they put in place. You be making sure say it could be from the IPEP Biarano. There the project has been executed. Obviously no. And no, there said a delay the execution of some of those projects. But once again, we are doing it for the greater good to protect the public personal. So some of the projects may travel into the following year. And another point is one person say, the monies are yet charged to every year, and there is a statutory fund. Or because being a statutory fund, and there is a fund that said say common fund. So it is at the end of the year. Now the constituency utilize that amount now, and that amount would be made available next year. At this area, the funds are allocated for the following year. Now you use to finance the project. They awarded in 2018. So these are some of the dynamics by in the calculation now. We can actually discuss it. But the fact of the matter is every constituency or Ghana benefited from a project from the 1 million allocation. Immediately say, NIT FM, you are very credible radio stations. I know, say, you can decide to take this one up, visit the constituencies, look at the amount involved, and look at the amount of money that has been spent as far as the project are concerned. But the fact of the matter is the 1 million per constituency project, and they are also throughout every constituency in Ghana.
Okay, it's a trench biano, a year ready. As I say, more picky, more yes, I needs assessment, from every constituency who say a trench we are banner, dear one more penny. And now says subsequently, no one more day, a year, one more here, then about 2 more. Ebia de di kan amobe yeni na ebia de tosu mienu next trench ne ba eno so de amobe yeni ana.
Yeah, you already said me can no. Yeah, a broad and I say a general needs assessment. I mean, no, because the report no, available. But me know also in himself, needs changes over time. So I say, and you know, the kind no provides us with a guide so that we can forecast and plan ahead. Now, so no, obviously we give the constituency the opportunity to resubmit projects on person buying a day a year more. Some of the projects may be the same like the project in 2017. No. Some of the projects also changes. No. But as and when the money is available, and I say the constituency bring another project then we can then use it to then do the project for them. But the key point here is that the needs of the people changes. And yeah, casted the needs assessment in stone. So for 2019, for instance, the development authorities awarded the project for what to begin for 2019. It could be say project Ottawa constituency different from the project almost submitted for 2017 and the year 2018 project. So the needs can change. Change by service can project and they identify say being here more. Then we do it actually for them and make sure say construction has really gone on as it is.
Okay. Now say one village, one dam, and who sends so far, and also a question also.
Yeah, so far so very good. Said you can no. So far no 300 a year site dams nearing completion this year. I mean you for 300 so the remaining 260 and also no. Before I think in 2020 so far no idea images as I say because 7 years all share the million na abra ko share the construction no in Shukram be buka obi sama fa ko na wa ko chan foni e de propaganda say one village one dam ni na me no ka say ya insuna sha say no you go there you see say the facilities must share air quality issue me no ka say one now more around buka no ashia make use of that facility. So far, so very good. The first phase has been completed. The second stage now, the stone pitching, the grassing now, a bit the embankment wall, no, it's very strong, no, so no. During the rain season, we end up on so far, so very good. The idea the one village, one dam, no, a year on course, I have no doubt in my mind. Say the purpose I constructed the dams, for them to serve, idea it would actually meet that particular air purpose. So far, so very good. I want to the debut because they realize the dams are very good. The design can actually contain water. Several the various communities needs during the dry season. We are also saying say the project now the quantity and I say the number of dams now can say 100% a year perfect. And after the construction, we are 100% a year done. Obviously, there are some challenges we meet along the way. But the good thing a woman said, challenge it can be solved. It can be corrected. So we can make progress as we go on. So far, so very good. You're on track to ensure and say communities in the northern region identify so big air dams and also Ebenya air or dam. And again, the same way it's also and say the 1 million per constituency yen ka say yen kwa individuals be we were very clear say that 1 million per constituency they finance a basic infrastructure project ye ka basic infrastructure project yen be ka say ye kwa ko see akosombo dam baby anase kwa ko see Kumasi mall anase Accra mall there be they finance basic infrastructure project like bridges furnitures in the various schools, constituency be bridge and I say something basic infrastructure provide to more good ama life aye uncomfortable. Like drinking water, menya kwenya travel to a lot of air communities. Ensure you say any so special no. That is their greatest needs. Communities be all man say yeah you want kan you say toilet facility e wunya no omo dey here toilet air facility. So the thinking to provide these resources are on betime use etimi provided basic infrastructure so as we speak to you now we've met our target and we hope say project no would go on fast instead of no betimi enya the project no so far so very good minia.
Okay, but answer a major outcry but maybe say how do we ensure value for money? Because $1 million in years 20 basically they say project in a cost no contractors and one year adwuma no be adwuma ni yie ne yam say yenya value for money afi so na opposition for accuse mo say yehwe mechanized boreholes no me ade amoyi a quotation ne bo no esoso dodo because mo de toto ho say obi a corporate entity say womo ekokutu bi e de mamamfo na ya de toto a ebo no soso dodo ade internet sir.
I think say enya dia minimum criticism no any basis there so be share the water systems na na intimi fa no and compare borehole bia obi akwakutu. And we must also understand say there's a great difference between a borehole and a water air system. Empesa no pay me lecture the kind of system but maybe a very sure say we do no the kind of water system intimi enfa no enkususu. Another project will be a hand pump. We've gone a year beyond that particular stage. But on the issue of the value for money, idea of any awards supply a Miami minister, Honorable Mewisa Okumsen, so a very, 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 very particular about ensuring that there's a value for money. And these are the processes. And until na ya award a contractor, your ministry no, your mount, your friend is saying, your mount, how do I even call it? Mobilization, say, no, we don't do that. You go start the work. We have supervising consultants. And so we work no could do them stage. There's an idea supervising consultants and no more ready certificates. So we ready certificates, together with pictures. Then development authorities will then look at it. They will send their own people on the ground. They will go and certify no matter and say, okay, that project now it is equal to that amount I would have. From that stage, I be called the regional minister. Regional minister so very smart on the site, looking at the pictures, before they sign. Almost sign via about the ministry, About ministry so be just to go and check the project, And sign you forwarded every documentation they are command the Ministry of Finance. I know say the Ministry of Finance and so the monitoring department and so on before they make any payment, you go down and verify to ensure say project the project pay the quantity available merit the amount of money that has been raised. So you could clearly see say there is a straight structure, straight mechanism you putting in place to ensure say there is value for money for all our projects. So I say maybe just sure so with all these reporting stages we can do any shoddy work and I say we be me our could raise you merited amount of work our year to claim payment. So we can assure the people of this country, we can assure Ghana for say the Ministry of Special Development Initiative, especially build multi-purpose ministry. We are into fast track development to ensure say the basic project with the value for money in mind to ensure say bit more protect the public your friends in person. So I can assure you say so far so very good. The 1 million per constituency, a Juma Ekase de Bayano, they are ongoing. Now maybe one of these days Bamu studio. Now constituency BRA project BRA personal. We will then list them, mention the name of the community. FM can go there, go and check the amount of work that has been done, the type of project. And say you can also educate them. That 1 million per constituency project and the IPEP you a trobi ena omampini na do Akufo-Addo it is a reality I mean can say ongoing in all the constituencies in Namibia.
Yeda se na no pese oni akasa moro.
Mi se beda se Nyankopon hyira me nua.
Onhyira
Utie Oha Exi Ponkno. Needs FM.